Plywood is essential for making furniture, doors, and windows, but have you ever wondered how it's made? Millions of trees are cut down daily to produce plywood. Join me as we explore how wooden logs are turned into plywood and whether this process harms our environment. Truckloads of logs, usually 4 or 8 feet long, are brought from farmers who grow trees specifically for plywood. Workers unload the logs one by one, and these two brothers feed them into the machine for processing. The logs are first debarked. Their outer layer is stripped off and separated. The removed bark is then used to generate electricity, powering the machines in the factory. The debarked logs are fed into a peeling machine, which rotates them against a sharp blade. As the log spins, a long, continuous sheet of wood is peeled off, thin, smooth, and ready for plywood production. Workers inspect each sheet as it emerges, carefully flipping them to check quality. Nearby, others gather the approved sheets into neat stacks. An overhead crane then transports these bundles to begin the drying process, a crucial step in plywood production. Rows of stacked wood sheets await processing, each carefully checked for moisture. The sheets then enter a massive dryer, where they're heated to 140 degrees Celsius before being cooled to 40 degrees Celsius. A precise 1-hour process that prepares them for the next day. The dried sheets then move to gluing. Rollers evenly coat both sides with adhesive. The freshly glued sheets, now perfectly prepped, advance to the next production stage. The plywood assembly begins with a premium thin base sheet. Workers then carefully layer and staple additional glued sheets one by one, building up to the desired thickness. The layers bond for 2 to 3 hours before the 2 mm base sheet is repositioned on top. The 8-foot sheets are then precisely cut to size before moving to the branding stage, where identification paper is applied. The plywood sheets undergo hydraulic pressing, sandwiched between branded layers. Each sheet gets red identification paper on both sides, sealed with steel plates for a perfect finish under intense pressure. Workers carefully load the layered sheets into a hydraulic press. Inside, they undergo precise temperature control, heated to 140 degrees Celsius, then cooled to 40 degrees Celsius during a 30-minute bonding process that creates perfect plywood. The bonded plywood sheets now move to finishing. Workers precisely trim the edges, apply shutter oil for a polished surface, and neatly paint the borders, completing the high-quality plywood. How did you all like the video? If you liked it, don't forget to share it with your friends.